Alright gang, I'm back with another video. I got you a Jeep Cherokee white ghost. It's nice. No mods, no specific stuff, but it is nice and clean. So let's go ahead and have at it, guys. Boom. Look at that Jeep. Got the cream on the inside, cream seats. Got the back end spoiler right there that hangs off. See that? Spoiler. Nice. I like those tail lights are nice looking on there. Cherokee. Jeep. Got the racks on the top. See the racks? Get those headlights. Got those bird eyes. Look at that. It's nice, guys. Look at the grill. The little mesh black grill in there. It's got the little grill down here. It's got the fog lights in it. Nice. And there you have it. Jeep. And there you have it, a Jeep. Now, if you're new to the channel, share, subscribe, like, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. If you're not new to the channel, you already know what to do. If you're just browsing, thumbs up, share, and comment. Alright guys, I'd appreciate it. And just like that, this video's over.